Alright guys, we're here at Steel City to check out a car that you guys haven't seen in a while. Let's go take a look. What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Good to see you.
So you got something to show me?
Do you want to check what you see?
Take a look.
Okay.
Oh, is this how it is now?
It's the seat, man.
Dude, this looks so clean on the inside.
It is, man.
Oh, fucking sick. So yo, what'd you exactly do?
Okay,
Tell us what you did.
when you dropped it off, you had a lot of little rust and stuff, and anyway, we slaved away for the last month and a half, scrubbing the inside clean, sanding it, and then we ended up doing a nice sprayable bed liner on the inside, stop all that rust. It looks super clean. We stripped all the interior. We're doing a custom dash as well, but most importantly, it's not going to rust anymore. The whole underneath is also bed lined as well as the inside, and it's just one of a kind of thing that not a lot of people do. And the next big mod is we're doing a custom fiberglass dash. It's going to be really cool.
Right now we're just mocking up the fiberglass dash. I initially actually bought this overseas on vacation, and to save on shipping, not even to save on shipping, those people didn't even want to ship the dash. So to be able to ship it, I actually had to cut it in half and then ship it through extra luggage. So that's how we brought it over, and now we're here at Steel City Customs, putting it back together, and check that work that they did. It was more than just putting it back together, it was fitting the gauges, making sure everything fits properly. And yeah, this is a mock-up. So hopefully we get to see this done in a couple months, couple weeks. Kind of taking up a lot of space at the shop just for a dashboard, so we'll see how it goes. What else could I tell you guys about this car? It's been so long. Oh, that's right. I just dropped off an N42 block down at Whitehead Performance. They're keeping the L28 crank, knife edging it, making it nice and clean, polishing, adding the L24 rods from the 240Z and the KA24 89mm pistons from the 240SX engine. So there are going to be 6 of those, bring it up to 3 liters. And then I'm having the head built at Datsun Spirit down in Virginia. I'm not too concerned about horsepower, but my main goal is to get this to rev to 9,000 RPM, because this car is all about experience, not about power. If you want power, go look at my other car. But in the meantime, it's all about experience. 3-liter stroker, 9,000 RPM, ITBs, it's a screamer. Yeah, so for the rest of the engine bay, I'm going to be adding a lightweight starter and alternator. We're going to shave it down a bit, get it nice and clean, tuck a lot of the wires. Like I said, ITBs, get rid of that messy setup. We're also going to remove the brake booster and master cylinder for one, weight savings. As you can see, I'm a little insecure about my weight. And shave the bay a bit more, get it nice and clean, a bit more space. We're going to keep that little light bulb there. I love that little light bulb. It's very Datsun-esque. I have a new rad waiting to be installed as well. What else? Yeah, that's about it. Let's get it nice and clean, get it nice and running, tuck the wires in, and get it nice and light. Alright, so see these wires over here? Since I said we're gonna do a nice wire tuck, what I'm actually gonna do is change these to ignition coil packs. So all these wires are gone. It's gonna be nice little tight packs. Keep it nice and clean, nice and simple, and nice and reliable. Because once this is all done, trust me, it's gonna see a lot of mileage. Sorry for the lack of updates. It's been a busy year focusing on the other car, but got the ball rolling now, got the engine going, and hopefully we'll be back in a few weeks. See how the dash is all fitted up, get the other seat in, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon.